With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The question is, the diagram given below is a part of the periodic table. Study the table and answer the questions given below the table. Which element forms very corrosive acid? Okay, so this is a part of the periodic table. In the boxes, for few elements there are only numbers given, but for some other elements, the elements are also mentioned. Okay, so among these mentioned elements, we have to find out which will form a very corrosive acid. Okay, so the first is chromic acid produced by chromium. Okay, so chromium is here. Fine. So we have to find out, is it a corrosive acid or not. So what is the formula for chromic acid? Chromic acid is having the formula H2CrO4. Okay. And this chromic acid is a highly corrosive acid. Okay. It is very corrosive. Fine. So if few drops of this corrosive acid has come to contact with eyes or with the skin, it will cause severe damage. It will destroy the skin very much. Okay. Not only if it comes in direct contact, but also if we smell even the vapors of the chromic acid, it will cause severe damage to our nose, throat, etc. Okay, so that much it is very corrosive. So the chromic acid produced by chromium is a corrosive acid. Okay, so this is the answer. Now let us check the other options also. The second one is we have oxalic acid. Okay, so what is the formula for oxalic acid? It is COOH and COOH. Okay, so this oxalic acid, it is a weak acid. Okay, because it only partially ionizes in water. Fine, let us look into the ionization. We can write this oxalic acid as H2CO4 like this. Okay, so it will give only few amount of H plus ions in solution, even though it is having two H plus ions. Okay, because it is a very weak acid. Okay, so it dissociate like this and form these respective ions. It is an acid, but it is a very weak acid. Okay, it is H2C2O4. Fine, H2C2O4. Fine. So this is a weak acid, so this is not the correct answer. We have to find which is a corrosive acid. For corrosiveness, it has to be very strong like this chromic acid. Okay. And now we have calcium carbonate. Fine. So what is calcium carbonate? It is having the formula CaCO3. Okay. So how it can be prepared? It can be prepared from a base, that is calcium hydroxide. When it is reacting with an acid, that is carbonic acid, we will be obtaining calcium carbonate along with the water molecule. Okay. So now let us balance this equation. Okay. So calcium is balanced. So to balance the hydrogens and oxygens, we can put 2 over here. Carbon CO3 is balanced and CO3 is also balanced. Okay. So now this calcium hydroxide is a base. This carbonic acid is an acid. So it is formed from an acid and a base, which means what? It is a salt. So it is a salt, which means what? It is neither an acid nor a base. Okay. So it is neither an acid nor a base, which means what? It is not the answer, because we have to find out the corrosive acid, which is option A. So this is also incorrect. And now we have ferric oxide. So that is Fe2O3. So what is ferric oxide is? It is an amphoteric acid. Fine. So what is an amphoteric oxide means? It is having the characteristics of both base and acid. Okay. So it will react with both base and as well as with the acid, and it is having the characteristics of both. So this cannot be a corrosive acid. Okay. So the correct corrosive acid is chromic acid formed by chromium. Okay. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.